Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with you guys with a new unit. The unit in my hair right now is from Sensational, and this is for their Butta hairline, and I mean Butta like with an A hairline, and this is unit number 7. The color I am wearing is Money Piece Hazel, because what this right here makes a money piece. Y'all, this unit is freaking gorgeous, like hands down gorgeous. So the hair originally comes as a side part, and you know me, I love a nice middle bust down, so I shifted the wig over to the middle. It is a T-shaped wig, but it has a lace, so what that means basically is like it's the lace on the sides or whatever. I'm not gonna show you that shot because I shifted the wig, but it has like a full like 13-inch like circumference lace, right? But it only has a 1-inch part, and this 1-inch part right here goes about 7 inches deep, so it is definitely a T-part wig. Just looking at like the stock card, you can see that the wig was meant to be shifted to the side because the T part of the wig is like curved, and the model was wearing it sideways. Not sideways, like they're wearing it correctly. I'm wearing it wrong. She's wearing it shifted to the side. So yeah, it is an HD lace unit. It's not like the traditional like transparent HD laces you get when you get like synthetic wigs. This one is a tinted lace, so it's not that light. It's actually darker, so it would not like look ashy on like darker tones, which is a plus. If you are, you know, a couple shades darker than me, you'll love it. If you're like my shade or a little bit lighter, you can throw like some powder on to lighten the lace, honestly. So it's not like that bad. I lightened my lace just a little bit, but you can probably like clock my lace, and the reason why is because the lace is just too dark. There's nothing I can do about it. It's a synthetic wig. The wig does come pre-plucked. She comes pre-plucked for you, sis, so you don't gotta do no plucking, which is amazing too, because you really don't want to pluck like a synthetic wig. Not gonna lie, I went in, I tweaked the hairline a little just cause I like to give scalp, like that's just my vibe. But you know, you don't have to, because it actually comes pre-plucked, which is nice. I just went in and did my baby hairs and added a little powder to the part, and that was it. I didn't do anything else to this hair. So get into the color. It honestly reminds me of Seraphine. Like, I don't know if you guys remember Seraphine from like the melted hairline collection from Outre, but this is what it reminds me of. Same density, if not a little bit thicker, so that's better for me personally, because I like to wear all the hair to the front and I don't like the tracks to show in the back, so she's perfect like that. Get into like that ombre blend, sis. The 1B fade into the ginger. She's giving everything that needs to be given for the best price too. So I got this unit from Sam's Beauty, and I probably paid like $43. I think it's probably like retail $40, and I probably ended up paying like $47 for it. So worth it. When you first get her out the pack, sis is wiggy. Okay, I feel like a lot of synthetic wigs are just coming shiny, but some are shinier than others. She's like shinier than most. She gives you like back in the day, you know, auntie with that shiny ass wig. That's what she gives when she get her first out the pack. So what I did was I went and put like dry shampoo in it. It's toned it down a little, so now it has like a nice luster, but it's not like screaming synthetic, you know what I'm saying, which is what you don't want. It did come with baby hairs too. You know, I went in, trimmed the baby's hairs a little, tweezed the baby hairs just a little, and I laid it down with some Got To Be Good gel, because we all know that synthetic hair is plastic, and mousse is just not gonna do the job on a synthetic wig. It's just not. She's not that long. She comes like to my breast, like, and I'm 5'5", so she's not that long. These are not the original curls. I mean, of course they're the original curls. I just brushed them out. Like, she's come really super curled, and really uniform curled. So obviously just brush that out, comb that out. One thing about that, when you brush her out, this will give you a little nap at the end. It's just, it is what it is. it is what it is. But I would still like rock her to the mall. I'm not gonna lie. If I say I'm rocking to the mall, then you can definitely rock her to the mall because she's that good. Overall, I give her a 7 out of 10. The reason it's a 7 out of 10 and not like a 10 out of 10 is I wish there was like some highlights in it. Like granted, Sensation did a great job blending the colors, but I wish it had like some dimension, you know, like a little bit of seraphine in the mix. I wish it did, but it doesn't. Then when you brush her out, sis kind of give you like, you know, she's starting to tangle a little. But for $40-something, like I can do this. Like I can do it, you can do it. Go pick her up, and that's a what? Or maybe have a little lamb. That's period. I love her, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This is sis, and she's giving what needs to be gave. So go pick her up from salesbeauty.com, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.